Okay.
Even
0908, yeah.
yeah, 0908.
Where is it?
0908.
0908.
09 I'm able to see. Maybe at the entry, at the inlet, before PCFCB. Here.
Okay. Yeah. All
Why
right.
this is redundant? Why this? Because we have considered one PAL. Okay, this PAL also, this PAL, this is the same.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, so this is same, right? And typical, correct?
Yeah. No. This is not typical because this is the stripping gas. Stripping gas line. Yeah.
So this is unique, right?
Yeah, this is a unique one.
PAH and PAL.
Yeah.
So where is PAH and PAL here? Unique, yeah, unique. So I put unique,
Yeah.
right?
Put the unique.
Okay, so let us review this unique one. So valid. Did we take in Hedgehog? Let us see.
And
Where will be in Hedgehog?
I think 070908, yeah.
This will be which PNID? Which node? Because FCB closure. FCB closure can create high pressure.
Is it there in the Hasso pin ID? Is it there in the Hasso pin ID, Chairman?
Yeah, this is in Hedgehog. Actually, I'm reviewing the Hedgehog.
No. This is the Hasso pin ID, yeah?
No. This is Hedgehog PNID.
Okay. So it's there, right? Yeah. Actually, the PIC, the FF should be there, but not the P. Because this is a supply coming from the fuel gas system, right? Already there is pressure definitely from where it is coming from the fuel gas distribution line, and not to put the redundant.
You have many users.
Yeah, but still, we have flow here, right? So we still see downstream. The pressure downstream should
No, because the flow linked to
the ratio.
the ratio.
Yeah.
But the pressure need to indicate that you already get the part of pressure also.
It's okay, but
Because maybe you have fluctuation in the distributor network.